Good morning. Today is our maths class. Yes, and in maths class we had already learned up to numbers 10. Is it not? Yes. You all know how to identify numbers 1 to 10. When you come to school, we will be working with the sandpaper figures of 1 to 10, and I did notice that Zain was absolutely comfortable identifying 1 to 10. I am sure Sarvesh and Shasna also will be knowing. Okay, and also Dev, we have a new kid. Dev also is very good with numbers. Now let's see the numbers, how to write them. I already have it listed here, but in a dotted way. I am going to show you how to write it so that you can recollect it. Come. Let's start from here. 1. It's a plain standing line. 1. 2. Curve line, sleeping line. Say, what is this? 2. Next one, curve line, one more curve line. 3. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. 4. Sleeping line, standing line, curve line. 5. Next is one curve line with a circle. 6. This is very easy to write. 6. The next one, sleeping line, slanting line. This has to be slightly slanting. 7. Very easy. 7. Next one, 8. 8, when you see, it is very confusing, but I had given you a clue. You already know how to write S, is it not? This is how you write S, as in snake, spoon, sun, submarine, star. Yeah. After you write S, just go back and touch here. That's all. Is it not? Yeah. So easy. Let's do the same thing. We'll go for the S pattern first and then we'll touch it. So we start from here. You see that S has come? Now just go up and touch it. 8. Go for the S and then go up and touch it. 8. Then 9. 9 is like writing your letter A. How did you write A? Like this, is it not? Yeah. One more time I will show you. How did you write A? One curve line, go up and come down. This was your A. For 9, when you come down further down. That's all. Go for A, go up, come down. 9. Got it? Just like A. Let's start. Go up, come down. Don't stop with that. Come further down. This A will become 9. 9. So this also should be easy for you. You have already practiced A so many times. So writing 9 should be easy. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last week I introduced to you number 10. And how is 10 written? In 10 there are two numbers. There is a 1 and a 0. They have to be together. They are friends. Okay. There are two numbers. One number here and the other number is here. They have to be together. Then only it will become a 10. So when I say 10, write it together. And how will you write? 1 and then a 0. Start from here. Always start from top. Okay. 10. Okay. Okay, so this is how you do. It depends on what side you curve it. Okay, if you are a right hander, if you are going to use your right hand, means you can curve it like this, because that is easier for you. If you are left hander, I leave it to your convenience. Sometimes you might want to write this way. curve it to the other side. So depending on how whether you're left-hander or right-hander, you will change your curve. Okay, curved line might change, but the starting point is always the same. You cannot change the starting point. You should always start from top. Okay, move downwards. Okay, now that is for you. So for you homework, you have to do page number 26, 27, and I've written page number 1 to 19. Page number 1 to 19 is nothing but all your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 which you have been tracing. Okay, the ones that you have been tracing like this one. For example, 5, and then you had 4. Okay, I want you to go to those pages 1 to 19 and trace all of it once again. Okay, each page, each number I want you to trace 2 times at least, 2 to 3 times. Trace 1, trace 2, trace 3. So you use 3 colors. Okay, I prefer you do 3 times. So you take and keep 3 of your favorite colors, red, blue, green. Okay, and red, blue, green for a 1, red, blue, green for a 2, red, blue, green for a 3. Like that I want you to practice tracing the number in that tracing place. Okay, all the way up to 10. Need not do 0, just 10. From 9 straight away go off to 10. Will you all do it? Okay, then you will see what is there on page number 26 and 27. Only if you finish this, you will be comfortable going to page number 26 and 27. Come. On page number 26, you have somebody here. I am not going to say who it is. Some of you would have already guessed it. Okay, then those of you not guessed it, let's see what is there, but you can find it only after coloring. Before you color, you have to take your pencil and trace starting from 1. You have to connect the dots. Do you see 1 here? Great. Now, after 1, 2. After 2, 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and again go back there. Now who do you have here? That's Teddy. A nice teddy bear is there. You can later color the teddy bear whichever color you like. Mostly you should be in brown color, but I leave it to you. You can use any color that you want. Okay, so you can make a teddy bear by connecting the dots from 1 to 10 and go back to 1 also. That's page number 26. We'll move to page number 27. Page number 27, you have counting from 1 to 5 only. Okay, now you already know how to identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Now each of this box, I want you to count the object and circle the correct number. For example, let's do the football. Okay, in the football, let's see how many footballs are there. Let's count. When you count, I want you to strike it off. Okay, that's the best way. Anyway, you are going to use your pencil, so you have to strike it off, otherwise you will be counting again and again and again. So strike it off with one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are there? 5 balls. Where is number 5 here? Circle it. Now let's see how many bugs are here. 1, 2, 3. Where is number 3? Circle it. Here you have box with elephant. How many elephants are there? 1. Strike off and say the number 1. Circle the number 1. I want you to do in the similar way for the rest of the objects. Next we will do our coloring, and this time coloring we will do only one page because yesterday was a holiday and we will not be having much time. So we'll just do coloring of this. In this page you have a kettle and a glass. Okay, a tumbler. Kettle. Kettle and tumbler. Now you can color the kettle here in whichever color you want, but the tumbler with water, please make it blue only. Okay, you can give any color kettle. You can even change the handle of the kettle, the knob on the kettle, all those you can change the colors. The knob, the handle and the kettle color you can change. The tumbler with water, please make it blue. Now when you color the tumbler, you notice that there is no color on this side. So don't color entire blue here. Okay, it shouldn't be entirely blue. Just up to the water level it has to be blue. After that, stop. Will you all do the kettle and the tumbler? So that is all children for maths and coloring this week. With this weekend, we are actually coming to the end of term 3. Term 3 is over and we are starting a new term, meaning you will have to bring your English book so that we can do the pasting work of the next set of letters. You have finished up to G, O, L, F, B, right? Yeah, that set is over. Now we are going to introduce new. So on Saturday, I want you all to bring all your books, your English book and your maths completed work and your coloring book. Premont children, you have not been bringing until today, but Zain, since you are coming to school, I want to make sure that on Saturday when you come, you have to bring all the completed work. Will you bring it? If you bring it, then next week I will give you a next set of books. Okay? And then thereafter we will see, because we have online classes going on, we cannot do this in school because few of them are opting it out from home. So I have to definitely have this online classes for them to work from home. So children, Saturday is your last day. So before that, Saturday you have to submit. So by Friday, complete all your work and please hand it over. Okay, I would love to see you all if you can come. I want to see how much of work is completed. Zain, I have not seen your written work. Please bring all the completed work, coloring as much as possible, keep it neat. Okay, fine, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.